let's try to complete this lab preparing data for RAG, the retrieval augmented generation. Uh, and we see here in this lab we'll read the PDF files and load them into data frame, extract the content and split it into chunks, and then we compute the embeddings um, using the foundation model endpoint. And then create a delta table to store and compute the embeddings. So we'll do the fill in the blank. I did that. We run this few setups, and now this is the first task where we import some library, and here we basically we have to complete reading the PDF files basically, and then load it into the data frame, and then write the result. Write the data frame into a table, delta table, and then as we see here, we read the content, and it's show here some length and this binary files basically. Yeah. And this is the path, and then from there we extract into and we split it into chunks, and you can use this. I mean, if you want to try to understand, like, you can basically use different chunk size and overlap depends on your document size and application needs, right? So you can see here, play around. This the best is your chunk size, okay. And for this purpose we use 500 and overlap 50, and we use the llama, like this is the instruction to set this llama as the tokenizer. You can read about auto tokenizer. Okay, so right, this is a generic one and few parameters, and you use the llama model here. They listed here. Okay, so here the llama tokenizer we use. So other tokenizer, llama tokenizer, right? And then the sentence splitter, and then parse that. So here, okay, so hold on, one thing I want to show you also. Okay, yeah, and save this. The first task, save it as a table. You can validate your table here, right? This is the lab, so you can see your table is here basically, and there's some sample data that you can check, right? I mean, similar to the one that you display here. Okay, and okay, so this is the content, right? So now we compute the embeddings. What does it say? Compute the embeddings using the foundation model endpoint. Okay, so and so now so this one, and then we response and calculate using the development and predict function, right? Spawn using your deploy client and then predict using the foundation model. So we use the Databricks GTE large and max size batch 150, and then here we have to fill this one as well. Process each batch and collect the result. So basically for each embedding we collect. Okay. That one now create a data table to store the computed embedding. So here we create a delta table lab text embedding. It so these are the compute embeddings. Now we can store that embedding here. And you can see also from your catalog that now you have this new table here, right? And also this is define the schema for the table. Save the data frame as a delta table. Now we save that. So here, so we append into that delta table. So there's no data yet. Save the data into that table. Right, so let's refresh this. You can see, yeah, now we can see the data is stored here, and the embeddings. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll continue for the next lab later, next video.